Oh, nah.
Yeah, I feel it. I'm feeling it.
Yeah, I'm so.
What you mean? What you mean? Tension skate code street part. Hey, boom! Oh my god. And I landed it.
Oh my
Hey,
fuck.
Papa, don't give a fuck.
Nigga.
Just don't face ass up, nigga.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm tired.
Nigga, I hate you, bro. I'm gonna kill you, nigga.
Bro. Alright, bro, let's go home, bro. Let's go home.
Yeah, I mean, I already got the
go back
clip.
up to him, bro.
Neck your bone.
Don't even go.
I already got the clip at the spot, so. I manied the whole bitch. Oh my god, you manied it? Oh my god, no way! No way! No way! No!
Listen, stop playing with this nigga, bro. As deep as you go deeper. Pause.
I think that should look you down.
I'm off, nigga. I'm off.
Nigga, I'ma just wait real quick, bro.
You don't want that to be?
Not right now.
White Skater Boy Vlog 10.0.
Nigga, please. Nah, fuck out the way.
I'm trash. Like, I don't see this nigga hitting shit, bro. This nigga sitting here judging me, that's easy as fuck. Look at this nigga sitting here not hitting shit. Oh, you're actually doing that shit incorrectly.
You are.
Yeah, I did a front slide and a fakey front slide.
And you missed both. You missed both.
Back that up.
Niggas.
Just gonna leave my front foot up. Damn, bro. What is taking this nigga Izzy so long? Nigga, Izzy taking forever. Been in the
Keep talking and I'm gonna touch you.
What?
Why you stop talking?
What are you, nigga?
Why you stop talking?
Bro, why are you always doing that shit before you even try to
Okay.
After I landed, be like, wah, but nigga. My board's so wet, bro. It's like stroking a thick Latina, nigga. Like,
Nah, hold on. Whoa.
But for them pants are really large.